give me some minutes of your time and I'll teach you how to use auto-tune if you're a beginner. Without wasting much of your time, let's do this right after the intro. Your name is Gosta once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright, so if you are new to FL Studio and you don't know how to use auto-tune, this channel is the best channel so far for you. So make sure you subscribe and you turn on the bell notification. So without wasting much of your time, I'm gonna grab ad-libs. Now we're gonna drag it and put it over here. Hit audio track. All right, next we're gonna change for pattern to song. Now listen to this. Super simple. So now let's go to the mixer track. You can see it's on track 1. So we're gonna introduce our auto-tune. Watch this video to the very end because I'm gonna show you the secret when it comes to using auto-tune. To make everything simple, I'm gonna use one of the latest auto-tune, and that's Auto-Tune Artist. Alright, so we're gonna use Auto-Tune Artist, as you can see over here. So this is auto-tune. If you are new to auto-tune, I want you to pay attention to this. First, make sure you know your key. If you don't know how to detect the key of your vocal, then make sure you watch the video that's gonna pop up on this screen after watching this particular video, and I'll show you how to detect your unknown vocals or instrument, I mean the beat. Now first thing first, for you to use auto-tune, make sure you know your key. So if you look at this particular ad-lib over here, you can see the key is F minor. All right, so you can see it's F minor over here. So we're gonna change the key to F minor. Let's open the Auto-Tune Artist once again. Auto-Tune Artist, where are you? Yeah, man, where is Auto-Tune Artist? Sorry guys, I don't know where this guy is heading to. All right, so now there's Auto-Tune Artist. So this is where we're gonna change our key, and you can see it's F minor. So this is the scale, we change it to minor, then the key is F. All right, so we're gonna click here, select F. Now if you are done with this, I want you to pay attention to this routine speed, humanize knob over here. So first thing first, we're gonna pay attention to the routine speed. So this is how much you wanna pitch your vocals, I mean how much you wanna add that T-pen effect to your vocals. The more you crank this all the way up, the more auto-tune you are adding to your vocals. That's pretty simple. So we're gonna drag everything down, I mean the routine speed, to all the way 400, and we're gonna push it all the way up once we play the ad-libs. Let me loop this section over here. I mean, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Now let's listen as you crank the routine speed all the way up. You can actually hear the vocals is shaking, but we're gonna correct everything, so pay attention. Now after the routine speed, the humanized knob, this is the flex tune. Now to stop that shaking vibes, you can actually increase the flex tune to allow more pitch deviation, usually for expressive purposes. All right, so you can actually hear now the shaking vocals is being corrected a little bit. Watch this particular video because this is going to change the way you use auto-tune, and now you can actually use auto-tune like a pro. Listen. So if you want to add natural vibrator, you can actually play with this over here. So let's play around with this.